Good morning students, welcome back to Share the Maths channel. In this video I am posting the properties of triangles chapter from Maths 1A and this is the third video. Okay, let us start the class. First question, if the angles are in the ratio 1:5:6, then find the ratio of its sides. Okay, that is angles of the triangle. Here angles means angles of the triangle. So what is given? Angles are in the ratio 1:5:6. So what are the angles of a triangle A comma B comma C? Okay, given that angles are in the ratio 1:5:6 means A is to B is to C is equals to 1:5:6. That is the given data. So first I am writing the given data here. Given that angles are in the ratio 1:5:6 means A is to B is to C is equals to 1:5:6. That is which implies. Now how to take the angles? A is equal to 1 into constant, that is 1 into K is equals to K, and B is equals to 5 into K, that is 5K, and C is equal to 6 into K, that is equals to 6K. Okay, but already we know that in a triangle sum of the three angles is equal to 180. So I am taking that one here. We know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. That is, now substituting the values, K plus 5K plus 6K is equals to 180. Okay, ratio means we are taking these three values as K, 5K, 6K. Now adding the three values, so this is 12K is equals to 180. Then the value of the K is equals to 180 by 12 and that is equals to 15. Okay, therefore the value of the K is equals to 15. Now substituting this K value in these three values to get the angles. Therefore, the first angle A is equals to K, but K is equal to 15. And the second angle B is equal to 5 into 15. Okay, replacing this K is equal to 15 here. So this is equals to 75. And third one C is equal to 6 into 15. And that is equals to 90. Okay, so these are the angles. Now what is the given question here? Find the ratio of its sides. That is, ratio of the sides means we want this value A is to B is to C. Okay, ratio of the sides is equal to, what are the sides? A, B, C, small a, small b, small c. So this is equals to, I am applying the sine rule formula. What is A formula? A is equal to 2 or sine A. And what is B formula? B is equal to 2 or sine B. And what is C value? 2 or sine C. From the sine rule, the values of A, B, C are 2 or sine B, 2 or sine C, 2 or sine C. Now I cancel the term 2 or throughout the equation. Now taking the remaining values, sine A. What is A angle? 15. Sine B. What is B angle? 75. Sine C. What is C angle? 90. Okay, simply substituting the values here. So this is equals to sine 15 value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sine 75 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sine 90 value 1. And in the next step I am taking that this value is equals to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is 2. In place of 1, I am taking the 2 root 2 by 2 root 2. Okay. That is, for the cancellation purpose, I am taking this 1 as 2 root 2 by 2 root 2. Now here the denominator is cancelled. So the answer is equal to, writing the remaining values, root 3 minus 1 is to root 3 plus 1 is to 2 root 2. Therefore, the ratio is equals to, therefore the ratio of the sides is A is to B is to C is equal to root 3 minus 1 is to root 3 plus 1 is to 2 root 2. That's all. This is the answer. Very easy question. Just we have to apply the sine rule to find the ratio of the sides. Before that we have to find the angles by taking this ratio. Okay. So this is the procedure. Okay, see the next question. Prove that 2 into BC cos A plus CA cos B plus AB cos C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Very easy question. Just simply replacing the values to get the required answer. That's all. So first I am taking the LHS here. LHS is equals to 2 into BC cos A plus CA cos B plus AB cos C. So first I am writing the LHS here and substituting the values of the cos A, cos B, cos C. Before that I am multiplying the three values by the 2 here. That is, in the next step I am taking that this value is equals to 2BC cos A plus 2AC cos B plus 2AB cos C. Okay. Simply multiplying the three values by the first number 2 here. And this is equals to 2BC into substituting the cos A formula. What is cos A formula? By using the cosine rule, b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay. This is the formula for cos A. Cos A is equals to, here A means here we have to take the minus a square, remaining two terms are the plus values. B square plus c square minus a square by 2bc plus 2ac into, what is b square cos b value? C square plus a square minus b square. Okay. Cos b means here we have to take the minus b square by 2ac. Okay. Plus 2ab into, now what is cos C angle? Now what is cos C angle? Cos C is equals to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Okay. Now here 2ab and 2ab, 2ac and 2ac, 2bc and 2bc gets cancelled, and this is equals to b square plus c square minus c square. Now just taking the remaining values, plus c square plus a square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square. Okay. Now here a square minus c square and minus b square minus c square are cancelled. Now taking the remaining values, so this is equals to, what are the remaining values here? A square plus b square plus c square, and that is equals to RHS. That's all. This is the answer. Therefore, the answer of 2 into BC cos A plus CA cos B plus AB cos C is equals to a square plus b square plus c square. That's all. This is the answer. Very easy questions here, but to solve the question, first of all we have to know the formulas. When you know the formula, then it will be very easy to get the required answer. Okay. Okay, so the next question, prove that a square plus b square minus c square by c square plus a square minus b square is equal to tan b by tan c. So to solve this question, here also I am applying the cosine rule. Okay, listen. So first I am taking the LHS here, that is a square plus b square minus c square by c square plus a square minus b square. Okay. So first I am writing the cosine rules here and taking the b square value first. What is b square formula? B square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ac cos b. Okay. So this is the formula for b square. From this, just I am interchanging these two values here. That is, this minus 2ac cos b becomes the plus 2ac cos b, and this is equals to c square plus a square minus b square. Just I am interchanging these two values. This value becomes plus, this value becomes minus. Okay. But what is this value? C square plus a square minus b square is nothing but the denominator value here. Okay. This is nothing but the denominator value. In the same manner, I am taking the c square formula from cosine rule. That is, c square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. Okay. So here also just I am interchanging these two values. What values? Last value, this one. That is, this minus 2ac cos c becomes the plus 2ac cos c, and that is equals to a square plus b square minus c square. Okay, just writing this value to here. And what is this? This is nothing but the numerator. So the value of the a square plus b square minus c square is the numerator. Now replacing the values. Numerator value is equals to 2ab cos c and denominator value is equal to 2ac cos b. Now replacing the two values in the LHS of the question. Okay. And here just cancel the letters 2a comma 2a and writing the remaining values, b cos c by c cos b. But here we have the answer in terms of tan. We want the answer as tan b by tan c. That is, again here in place of b, I am applying the sine rule, that is b is equal to 2r sine b into cos c. Okay. by here also in place of c I am taking the 2r sin c into cos b. Okay, and here these two are cancelled. So this is equals to sin b by cos b. First I am taking this value. Okay, sin b by cos b by sin c by just writing this cos c at the denominator, that becomes the cos c, and this is equals to sin b by cos b is equal to tan b, and sin c by cos c is equal to tan c, and that is equals to RHS. Therefore, the answer of a square plus b square minus c square by c square plus a square minus b square is equals to tan b by tan c. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? In the next video, I will continue the remaining problems. Okay.